Hey guys! Welcome back to Language by Language. Ever dreamed of feet so perfect they fit any shoe like Cinderella's glass slipper? Today, we're diving into Cinderella Foot Surgery with Mari's real story. Curious about her journey, the risks, and the results? Let's explore this life-changing choice together and see if it's truly magical. This video is designed to improve your English listening skills. You can pause after each slide and repeat after me to practice better. If you're ready, first hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do it now and let's go. Why do people even choose Cinderella Foot Surgery? For many, it's about confidence and comfort. Mari, a 25-year-old teacher, always hid her feet. "My toes are crooked and my bunions hurt," she told her friend Emma. Social media made it worse. Perfect feet in ads and Instagram posts left her feeling insecure. She wondered, will surgery finally make me love my feet? Many women feel this same pressure to have feet that look slim, pretty, and ready for high heels or sandals. Cinderella Surgery promises to fix bunions, straighten toes, and reshape feet so they look perfect. But is it really worth it? Have you ever felt shy about a part of your body because of what you see online? It's natural to want change when everyone looks flawless on social media. Mari's story takes us through that tough choice, the hope, the fear, and the reality behind Cinderella Foot Surgery. What is Cinderella Foot Surgery? Cinderella Foot Surgery is a cosmetic procedure to make feet look slimmer, prettier, or more comfortable in fancy shoes. It's named after Cinderella's delicate feet that fit the glass slipper perfectly. This surgery includes different fixes, such as bunion correction, removing the painful bump near the big toe, hammer toe correction, straightening crooked toes, toe shortening, making long toes shorter for a balanced look, foot narrowing, reshaping bones to make feet slimmer, and sole padding, adding padding to make high heels comfier. Mary wanted her bunions gone and her hammer toes fixed. She said, "I want feet that look nice in sandals." The surgery is popular in countries like the United States, South Korea, and the UAE, where social media trends and celebrities showing off perfect feet have made it fashionable. But doctors often warn feet are complex, with many small bones, nerves, and muscles. Changing them can cause lasting problems. Mary's journey. Consultation. Mary's journey began at a clinic with Dr. Kim, a foot surgeon. "What's bothering you?" Dr. Kim asked. "My bunions hurt and my toes are crooked," Mary said nervously. "I want prettier feet." Dr. Kim examined her feet and took x-rays. "We can fix the bunions and straighten your toes," he explained. "Will it hurt?" Mary asked. "With anesthesia, you won't feel a thing," Dr. Kim replied. "But recovery takes time." Mary felt excited, but scared. "What if it goes wrong?" she thought. After talking it over, she booked the surgery. Preparation. Before the surgery, Mary had to prepare. "No smoking or aspirin for 2 weeks," the nurse said. "It helps prevent bleeding." Mary got blood tests and bought special recovery shoes. "You'll need comfy shoes after," the nurse added. Mary told Emma, "I'm nervous, but I want feet like Cinderella's." Surgery day. On surgery day, Mari arrived early. The hospital was calm and clean. The nurse checked her vitals. "You're in good hands," she smiled. Dr. Kim came in. "Ready?" he asked. "A bit scared, but yes," Mari nodded. "We'll take care of you," he reassured. The surgery used tiny cuts to fix Mari's bunions and hammer toes. One long toe was shortened, and her foot was narrowed slightly. It took 2 hours under local anesthesia. When Mari woke up, her feet were bandaged. Everything went great, Dr. Kim said. Mari felt tired, but hopeful. Recovery. Recovery was tough. For the first week, Marie's feet were swollen. "They look worse now," she laughed with Emma. She had to keep her feet elevated and avoid walking much. Dr. Kim gave her painkillers and anti-swelling medicine. "Rest is key," he said. Marie wore special shoes and couldn't exercise. "It's hard to be patient," she sighed. After 4 weeks, the swelling went down, and she began to see changes. Full recovery took 3 months, but she had to avoid tight shoes for a year. Feelings. Mari's emotions were a roller coaster. Before surgery, she was nervous. What if my feet don't look good? During recovery, she had good and bad days. "Why is it so slow?" she asked Emma. Emma encouraged her. "You're doing great. Just wait." Mari joined an online support group. "It's nice to know others feel the same," she said. Results and challenges. After 6 weeks, Mari saw the results. Her bunions were gone, her toes were straight, and her feet looked slimmer. "I love them," she said, trying on sandals. But there were challenges. Some friends didn't get it. "Your feet were fine before," one said. Mari replied, "It was for me, to feel good." The surgery wasn't cheap. She saved for a year, and not all patients are lucky. Some suffer pain, infections, or long-term walking problems. Mari was glad she picked a skilled doctor. Her story shows Cinderella surgery can boost confidence and comfort, but it's not simple. It takes money, time, and emotional strength. "I'm happy, but it was a big step," she admitted. Risks and reality. Doctors warn that Cinderella surgery isn't always safe. Feet are delicate and essential for balance. Problems like infection, nerve damage, or long-term pain are possible. Some patients regret it when results don't match their expectations. "It's not like a haircut," Dr. Kim said. "It's serious." Experts also point out how beauty standards drive demand. Social media often shows perfect feet, making people believe their own aren't good enough. "Why do we need perfect feet?" wondered Mari later. That's why doctors suggest before choosing surgery, try simpler options like better shoes, orthotics, or physical therapy. For many, these can relieve pain without risks. Tips and message. Tips for healthy feet. 1. Research well. Before surgery, learn everything. Mari read about Cinderella surgery and asked many questions. Tip. Choose a trusted surgeon and ask about all possible risks. 2. Care for your body. After surgery, rest and eat healthy. Mari found that good sleep and nutrition helped her heal. Tip. Always follow your doctor's advice. 3. Be patient. Healing takes time. Mari was frustrated at first, but patience paid off. Tip. Don't rush recovery. Your body needs time. 4. Focus on you. Mari did the surgery for herself, not for others. Tip. Make choices based on your happiness, not just social media trends. Motivational message. Your feet carry you every day. They don't need to be perfect, just healthy. Cinderella surgery might make your feet prettier, but true confidence comes from inside. Mary learned to love herself, not only her feet. Whether you choose surgery or not, focus on what makes you strong and happy. Try small steps. Wear comfy shoes. Walk in nature, or simply rest. You are enough as you are. What's one thing you can do today to care for yourself? Vocabulary and expressions. Confidence. Noun. Feeling sure about yourself. Example: Mari gained confidence after her surgery. Crooked. Adjective. Bent. Not straight. Example: My toes are crooked and my bunions hurt. Bunions. Noun. A painful swelling on the big toe joint. Example: Mari wanted her bunions gone and her hammer toes fixed. Insecure. Adjective. Lacking confidence. Feeling unsafe. Example: Social media posts left her feeling insecure. Flawless. Adjective. Perfect, without mistakes or defects. Example: She looked flawless in the photo. Cosmetic. Adjective. Related to beauty or appearance. Example: Cinderella Foot Surgery is a cosmetic procedure to make feet look slimmer. Complex. Adjective. Complicated, made of many connected parts. Example: Doctors say feet are complex, with many small bones. Anesthesia. Noun. Medicine that makes you lose feeling or awareness. Example: With anesthesia, you won't feel a thing, Dr. Kim replied. Elevated. Adjective. Raised, lifted up. Example: She had to keep her feet elevated and avoid walking much. Regret. Verb. To feel sorry about something. Example: Some patients regret it when results don't match their expectations. Orthotics. Noun. Special shoe inserts to support or correct foot problems. Example: She used orthotics to ease her foot pain. Diving into. To go deeply into a topic with enthusiasm. Example: Today we're diving into Mari's story. Made it worse. Caused the situation to become more difficult. Example: Social media made it worse for Mari. In good hands. Being cared for by someone skilled and trustworthy. Example: The nurse checked her vitals. You're in good hands. Roller coaster of emotions. A situation with many ups and downs in feelings. Example: Mari's emotions were a roller coaster. Look after. To take care of someone or something. Example: Look after your feet to avoid problems. Wrap up. That's Sarah's Cinderella surgery story. I hope you enjoyed this listening practice. Your feet are amazing. Take care of them. Have you ever thought about changing something about yourself? Share in the comments. Check the PDF on my Telegram channel, links in the description. Like, subscribe, and share with friends. Let's keep learning together. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.